I'm going to show you how to make stir-fry rice with sweet and sour chicken. If you don't have any leftover cooked rice, start by cooking it. You can watch my video, Cooking the 3 most popular Asian rices. To marinate the chicken, cut the breast in half lengthwise. Put them in a bowl. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Put half with the chicken and keep the other half for the sauce. Grate a piece of ginger. Put half teaspoon with the chicken and keep 1 teaspoon for the sauce. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix all together and let rest while continuing the preparation. Cut into small chunks 5 ounces of broccoli, 4 ounces of red cabbage. Cut 1 carrot into small cubes. Mince 1 onion, 1 spring onion, beat 3 eggs with a pinch of salt. To make a sweet and sour sauce, we need 3 flavors. Sour, for example lemon or vinegar. Sweet, sugar or honey. Salty, soy sauce or fish sauce. To make the sauce, in a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice syrup or honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, half cup of water, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix. Separate the rice grains to avoid crumbs. Start by stir-fry the rice. Preheat the pan over high heat. When it is hot, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the beaten eggs. Turn to low heat and stir. On low heat, we get eggs with a soft texture. As soon as they are coagulated, keep aside. Still in the same pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the onion. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the rice, the carrot, the red cabbage, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Regularly stir for 3 minutes. With high heat and contact with the pan, the aromas and flavors of the ingredients intensify. Add the broccoli, the eggs, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir for another 3 minutes. Keep the fried rice warm. Add 1 egg to the marinated chicken. Mix well. Cover each piece of chicken with potato starch. The thin egg layer allows the starch to adhere. When cooking, we won't get the crust that stays on the chicken. On high heat, heat a pan with 1 centimeter of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, place the chicken pieces in it. Let cook and brown for 6 minutes. Flip them over from time to time. Remove them and let them on the rack. Remove the oil from the pan, leaving about 1 tablespoon. Turn to low heat, add the garlic and grated ginger. As soon as they start to be golden, add 1 tablespoon of shaoxing cooking wine. 5 seconds later, add the sauce. Stir It thickens in few seconds. Put the chicken pieces. Coat them in sauce. And turn off the heat. Cut them into small pieces. Serve the plates of each guest. Sprinkle with the spring onion. You can also pour the remaining sauce over the rice. Bon appétit! The fried rice with sweet and sour chicken complement each other very well. The dish is a delicious mix of flavors and fragrances. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.